Hi. Hope you're having a great Christmas so far today. This is a lift tour of St. Stephen's Green Shopping Centre in Dublin. And now to the first lift, which is the IL Car Park lift. Enjoy.
Doors closing.
This is the Stephen's Green lift. Oh god, it's gone down. Fuck. No, that was wrong, right.
Shopping ground floor.
Oh, another floor. Back up now, someone got in the lift so I had to get out. Whee! I don't know how fast this is going, I wish I had it, but...
Car park levels 8, 9 and
roof.
Doors opening. Going down.
Actually, I'm going to do a cab because... Well... I'm going to go down to T.
Doors closing.
5, T and M. Oh crap, that's the okay. We're down to 7 as well. What? Let's skip for 7.
Shopping top floor. Toilets and car park. Level 5A, B, C, D. Doors closing.
Oh, it's not going down, it's just doors closing.
Shopping middle floor.
Okay, that's it.
The glass second generation Eco disc wasn't working for some reason. And now to the next lift, which are the lifts in Duns, which both lifts were out of service for maintenance. And now to the next lift, which was actually working, is the non-glass second generation Eco disc.
This is the small Eco disc in Stephen's Green. It just goes between round 1 and 2, it doesn't go up to the upper floors. First one. Close. So I'm going to end the lift last time, so it's a fail. Does this trick work? Yep, perfect. First floor. And we're going back down. Round to 2 again. 13 persons, 1,000 kilograms. Lift ID 1. Stephen's Green. There's only one place for Christmas. Definitely. Now to the other Eco disc.
So that's it for part 2 of the 2019 Christmas special. I hope you enjoyed it. The voiceovers are done by text-to-speech because I was feeling tired at the time of recording this video. Anyway, next video at 10 p.m. Bye.